friends, I'm Rajkumar from Sydney. So this weekend I'm going to Batemans Bay. So this is south side of Sydney. After Kayama, Naura, Uladula, the Batemans Bay. So this is the town you are looking at now. This is one of the biggest towns in the South Sydney. South Shoalhaven, we call it Shoalhaven. So what activities you can do in this town is fishing, swimming, kayak, stand-up paddleboard, cycling, walking, trekking and camping. And this town is famous for houseboats. There's a lot of houseboats, so if you like to stay in the houseboats, you check out the websites. So now you are looking at the park that's very close to the beach, and they have barbecue facilities, toilet facilities, so you can enjoy here. That's very close to the beach and the bridge, and a lot of parking available here. Just opposite to the park is the jetty. That street is very live. I noticed twice when I went there, on Sundays they have special markets, and I see a lot of people fishing here, even the youngsters doing fishing. That you see not only here, in most of the towns, coastal towns, you see people doing fishing. They have one patrolled beach that's called a surf beach. That's patrolled only in summer, so you can visit there. And if you're coming as a family with the kids, then not to worry about the toilets. They have toilets, few toilets. It's very visible. It's on the main roads everywhere. The town is very clean and neat, and you see a lot of good people. If you like oysters, visit Oysters Farm. As of today, when I went there, they were selling 3 dozens for $30. That's a good price. If you like fishing, you can do fishing here. This video I have taken on Sundays, weekends. So this was taken on Sunday. That's why it's very quiet. You don't see many people walking on the street. But when I went there on the Saturday evening, the street was live. A lot of people were there. The restaurants were full. So in this video, I'm going to see 4 budget-friendly locations to spend time with the friends or family or the kids. So the first one is Corrigans Beach. Number 2, Observation Head Lookout. Number 3, Hanging Rock Boat Ramp. Number 4, Holmes Lookout. So the first 3 is the south side of Batemans Bay, and the 4th one, Holmes Lookout, on the north side of the Batemans Bay. Even here, the beach side, you can spend time with the family here. There is a park for the kids to play and barbecue area. So this is the bridge you saw just few seconds ago. So now I'm just driving on top of that. This is the Marina of Batemans Bay. You can see it's a Sunday, that's why everything is parked here. So after the Marina, you will see Corrigans Beach. I'm not getting down out of my car. I'm just taking a U-turn in the car park. I'm just showing you the location. I'm just showing you the car park and the other facilities. This is the Corrigans Beach. I'm just driving through Sunday morning. Not many people here. Big space, even the small car, big car, caravans, anyone can park here. Very neat and clean. There is a movie theater as well, so if you like to watch a movie, you can do here. Don't worry about the groceries or anything for the kids. You have Coles, Woolworths for the shopping, and few other eateries and the shoppings. Okay, just make it turn left, then you reach observation head lookout. This is just a lookout, and you're walking here, a bit of walking. You walk and see the lookout and then come back. It looks beautiful, and the council spent a lot of money setting up this place, and it's very clean. There are a few car parks. There's a barbecue area nearby. You can just relax with the family and the friends. The lookout is really nice. There is a famous cycle path, cycle way in Batemans Bay. Just check on the websites and look where it is, where it's starting, where it's ending, and do the cycling as well. I'm just showing you the lookout. There's not much to say. I saw the big ants here. I heard it's in Western Australia, but first time I saw in New South Wales. This was really big, not because of the video or the photo, but in real it was big. Overall it takes like 15 to 20 minutes, or maximum 30 minutes. You can spend time here. If you're just looking around, that's the maximum time it takes. Third one is a hanging rock boat ramp. So this is actually a boat ramp. So people go and get the fish, and then they clean here, and then they take home. So this is the cleaning area, fish cleaning area. Just get the fish, clean it. So they have given us the facilities to clean the fish and then take home. This is the boat ramp. So if you are bringing the boat, you can use this ramp to get into the ocean. I'm just going to the end and walk back. Hopefully the kids will like walking here. If you are getting into the ocean, you need to wear the life jacket in the speedboat or the ski boat or anything. It's compulsory. The yellow color board at the other end is the signboard for the life jacket. The fourth one is the Holmes Lookout, the north side of Batemans Bay. It's in the national park. It's all from the Batemans Bay's downtown or the It's not too far. Just it takes 10 minutes or 5 minutes drive, or maximum 15 minutes drive. So the Holmes Lookout is it's on top of the hill. From the top of the hill you are looking at the Batemans Bay. So now I'm driving at the national park, but I'm going uphill. And I went there, it's the sunset time, and the lighting was different, and I enjoyed the color. It was like bright yellow. So now I'm at the Holmes Lookout. I'm just seeing the Batemans Bay from here. So in the video I couldn't catch it much better. But when you come and see here, it's a nice. The driving is nice, and the location is good, and you see the view from here. So now I'm just driving to the viewpoint. This is the viewpoint. Okay, from here you look down to the bridge and the town. I'm just stepping on the stone. Okay, now we are at the end. My channel, usually I do the weekend trip and the camping. If you like more of this type, subscribe and click the like button. See you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video.